So a good example of the customer base there. If you look at what it means to a partner, if you look at what this migration to IP communications typically means, we typically look at kind of like a 3-year life cycle of a customer ramping to mature revenue. Typically multi-phase. That first phase could be a 5-location MPLS service with managed security, delivering SIP trunking to 2 locations, integrated access to 2 locations, and hosted voice to 1 location. That could be the initial footprint. Phase 2 may happen 6 to 12 months later, where you're adding another 5 locations on MPLS, you're adding a hosted contact center platform, you're adding more SIP trunking, you're adding more hosted at branch offices, you may be adding conference calling services. But the key thing is not to approach this as a one-off deal. You have to look at the right entry point to that customer. You have to look at enabling a migration to a complete IP communications cloud-based service platform, and you have to look at a revenue flow over a 2 to 3 year period, which is what it typically takes for a Smoothstone to ramp a customer from starting point to a kind of like an end-to-end Smoothstone solution for that customer. So that ongoing revenue growth, that continual revenue opportunity is very key. And what you'll find with Smoothstone is the initial sales process, getting a customer onto the platform is a very big part of the process. As soon as that happens, that customer is transferred to a solution management team and an inside client account management team who are really working with our partners to manage that revenue life cycle through the customer. The monthly reviews, the quarterly reviews, then kind of like proactive suggesting to a customer, well, have you looked at this, have you thought about this? Sitting down with them, understanding their kind of like infrastructure plans, their location plans, it all leads to that ongoing revenue cycle. So, why partner with Smoothstone? Why partner with Smoothstone? Well, firstly, I don't think there's many other vendors in the marketplace who can give you that complete portfolio of solutions that enable you to walk into a prospective customer or existing customer base, take a very consultative and very solution-orientated approach to making their migration to the cloud and to unified communications in general. A second is a very proactive joint selling approach. People like Mark and the solution design team, Chuck and Bob and their sales teams work very closely with our partners throughout the sales process to make sure that we get it right initially and through every phase of the migration. A commitment to partners. This company has grown and has maintained a 50% plus compound annual growth rate over the last 5 years, and we couldn't have done it without our partner base. And we are committed to the success of our partners in the initial sale and through the future sales into those customers. And then it's about outstanding customer support. We don't just provide a similar type of service to our customers. Our aim is always to exceed the expectations of the most demanding customers. And if you look at our customer retention rate, over the 10 years that we've been in business, I'm not talking about revenue churn here, I'm talking about customer retention. It's over 99%. 99% plus of the customers who we've acquired over the life cycle of the company are still with us. And that says something to quality of service and the depth of service that we provide to them. So at the end, the way we think about it, like Smoothstone's mission is to help our customers thrive. It's to help them flourish, to help them grow, to help them adopt new technology. You'll see us use this little icon, the power of Smoothstone, next to the power of Smoothstone. It's about helping a customer thrive, and that's what we're in business doing. When you get it right, it's fun. Watching a customer transform the way they work and think about technology is a very, very fun thing.